Okay, this is an old story, but I just want to share something. Um, I'm heading back again to the farm, and it's nice how, you know, going home. Sakay ako ng cherry. See? Tapos, pagsakay ko ng cherry, syempre, cherry guys is depending where you're going to. If you go to north, we have a higher or more sophisticated bus, but the one going south is really a simple bus, and we have, as you can see, different vans. I guess I'm not so familiar with it. It depends on the destination. There are buses, I think, that goes also to the destination where I'm going to, but it's more expensive. So naturally, people will take the lower end, which in my case, ako dun din ako sumasakay. My reason is I like to take the bus. It's fresh air. I don't have to deal with people coughing inside the van. And especially now I hear a lot of people coughing. So I like it in Cherry. But this particular day, it's always true that, you know, when you give, you feel much better than the recipient. And I'm not talking about big here. This old lady, I featured her already, pero hindi, without her knowledge, hindi naman siya ang, it was a short, you know, shot in this video. This old lady, she was being asked if she has an ID for discount, and of course she wasn't able to show any ID. So I was trying to, you know, mediate by saying, libre mo na siya. Kawawa naman si nanay, looking at her physical look. Alam mo talagang hirap talaga, very hard up talaga sila. So hindi daw nila mabigyan ng discount kasi nga walang ID and it's being monitored. So that's okay. So then, you know, like nakakatuwa, I in my mind, what else can I give nanay? So a simple gesture, and please don't get me wrong, hindi tayo nagaganto para sabihin that I'm a better person. My point here is, if you give, really, you feel good about it. I'm a very frugal person. My children knows that I'm very frugal. But when it comes to handing out money to people that are in need, I have no problem with that. So lumapit ako sa kanya. I cannot take a video of that. So lumapit ako sa kanya, Nay, with his, I think apo niya, yung isa. Nay, anong gusto mo po? Gusto mo ng hopya o gusto mo ng orange? And they were so quiet. They're not even reacting. You know, the typical Filipino na minsan mahiyain. So then I said, gusto mo po? So sumagot yung kanyang apo, siguro yon. Sabi niya, magkano po? Ay, sabi ko, hindi po ako nagbibenta. So kung ano lang gusto mo, bilhan ko lang kayo. Tapos si nanay was so quiet, and then eventually, maya sabi niya, orange. Parang nakaka sa puso, ang sakit sa damdamin. Naiyak tuloy ako. Naiyak ako. I remember my nanay, my aunt. I remember when we were traveling, pagka pupunta kami sa puerto or anything like that, magsisikap din siya na magbili ng something, you know, just so we feel good. So, si nanay yun, sabi niya, orange. So, binala ko siya ng isang bag na orange. Tapos, ngayon lang, nung nagbi-video ako, hindi ko alam, pinakain na nilang dalawang mag-lola. It's just nice. So, kayo kung may opportunity kayo to give, do it. Kahit na konting-konti, it makes a lot of difference. So, yun lang naman. Ayoko na ipakita yung mukha ko, naiyak lang ako na I equate it with elderly people and those that are less fortunate. The Lord has been so good to me, actually. Ang daming blessings niya kahit sa maraming paraan. Di man ako mayaman, pero even with my siblings, And even especially those that, Brenda and kapatid ko ngayon, we're living with a free rental. Although ako nagre-rent pa rin ako dito sa city. My employment is just miracle. So just keep trusting in God and believing that if you do good with others, the Lord sees that. Pero hindi ka magdo-do good for others because gusto mo lang makareceive ka ng good things. You do that because out of the abundance of your heart that you love to help, you love to care for people. Nakakatuwa pa. Kung pwede ko lang ipakita yung itsura nilang dalawang maglolola. They were eating the orange na parang ang sarap ng kain nila. And mind you, to those who are listening, especially here in the Philippines, even my family, we don't really buy fruit that much because it really is more expensive as opposed to other countries. But I'm more focused on the natural fruit lang kung anong mabibili sa mga anong pwede mong pitasin. That's why in my YouTube you notice that most of the time I eat my cacao or cocoa. But my point is, hindi ko ma-overemphasize the idea na nakakatuwa silang tingnan dalawa. Halatang talagang parang that's not a normal food that they do eat. So yun lang. So God bless everybody. Another video and a touching video. Ito na ako. Yun na. I'm here. Tanghaling tapat. Almost 2 o'clock already. So I'm still here in the terminal. God bless everyone and may you have a good health and take care.